Make a tag sound effect, like when you're getting tagged.
It's actually not even a.
Make a sound effect for that.
It's not really a pizza can. A pizza can. Yo, dude, you want the flowers? I want flowers.
There we go.
Give me the flowers. Let me go. No, gravity. Flower flowers.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Little boy. Respect your elders. Oh, frick. Good job.
Where you stuck? Nice flowers.
I dropped it.
Nice flowers. You show. Hey you.
Yo, guys.
Hey you show. My flowers.
Hello.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey you. You.
What are you doing?
What? Can I get flowers?
Look way up.
Hey Luca, you want your flowers back here? You can't steal it.
Oh my god! No, yo!
I want flowers.
Somebody go up on the tallest
Boy. Come here.
Bro, please!
It's good. Sell it.
Come here.
It's good? Okay.
Yes.
What do you do?
I was stepping on my boundary a lot.
A witch. It's right there.
Give me your flower, boy, you don't
Yeah.
deserve it.
There he is.
Take my flower. Thank you. You're hot.
Oh my gosh, he's good.
Wait, guys. Purple's gonna get Lucy, so we're gonna be able to tag him. Yes. Alright.
Let me go.
Get him.
Get him.
How come this
Oh, yes.